Nope, didn't take it this time. I wonder why not. Let's try the other one. These are aftermarket keys. Maybe that's why. This one took pretty quickly. Number of keys is 3. Next key, yes. Yeah, we'll check the battery in this one. And of course, I was reading at 2.9 volts. That's going to be low. Put a new one in. 3.1, 3.2. Let's go program it. Learning fast. Let's go check this chat. Check this chat. Locked. That's weird. It was unlocked. So why is it not working? It is working. I just heard the car beep. It's freaking annoying. So it does, I don't know why they do that, where they say failed, but then they start working. Now it's probably gonna say 4. Let's see. Number of keys, 4. So, I don't know. But anyway, it starts. I'm gonna make sure all these both keys start the car. And we'll be out of here. So, just leave everything on the table. Unplug. Alright, let's make sure the car doesn't start. Like we're doing some sort of program. Okay, doesn't start, no key detected. Let's bring one in. Fire away. Okay, this one works. Buttons work. Try this one. All right, we're all set.